The blades for the teeth are not interchangeable. Some models are. The Wave is not, which is fine. It's okay. Yeah, I don't need anything crazy. One thing about this Wave that I like a lot. Oh, it has the increments for your inches and centimeters too. By the way, it's got your Phillips. Pull that out. It's got a flathead. Pretty cool. And you got your can opener. Let's see. I know there's a pair of skizzers. Let's see here. Chisel. Here we go. Here are the scissors. Ooh, how sharp those things are. This thing's great.